Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Vigyan. In this video, we will talk about BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, JRF positions. BARC is inviting applications for JRF Junior Research Fellowship in the area of Physical Sciences, Chemical Sciences and Life Sciences. All the candidates will register for PhD in HBNI, Homi Bhabha National Institute, a deemed to be university, Department of Atomic Energy. Now talking about area of research. For physical sciences, charged particle accelerator development, nuclear physics using accelerator, neutrino related experiments, astrophysics using gamma ray telescopes, plasma physics, laser based physics, spectroscopy of atoms and molecules, condensed matter physics at low temperature, high pressure and magnetic fields, crystallography, thin films, nanomaterials, optics, physics of sensors and detectors, synchrotron radiation, neutron scattering based experiments, and computational and theoretical physics. For chemical sciences, material chemistry, solid state and high temperature chemistry, nuclear materials, nanomaterials, electrochemistry, spectroscopy, radiation and photochemistry, advanced separation techniques, analytical sciences, catalysis, materials for energy conversion and storage, chemical sensors, polymers, theoretical and computational chemistry, nuclear and radiochemistry, actinide chemistry, radiation processing, radiopharmaceuticals, active pharmaceutical ingredients. For life sciences, cancer biology, diagnosis, therapy, immunology, microbiome target therapy, functional organic materials, low and high radiation dose response, nuclear medicines, structural biology of proteins, prokaryotic stress biology, bioremediation, CRISPR biology, TB diagnostic and treatment, mutation breeding, plant and agriculture biotechnology, genetic engineering, radiation treatment of food, food preservation and packaging, biosensor and pest controls, biofilms, biofouling, and thermal ecology. Now talking about age limit, the candidate must be an Indian national. The candidate should be less than 28 years of age as on last date of receipt of application. 3 years relaxation for OBC NCL, 5 years for SC and ST, and 10 years for person with disabilities. Now talking about eligibility criteria, candidates should have a good academic record and should have secured minimum of 60% in BSc and 55% in MSc from recognized university. Candidates, those who have completed and awaiting the final results of MSc degree may also apply. However, such candidates should necessarily upload copies of mark sheet of BSc degree and copy of MSc first year mark sheet along with the application. Such candidates should have scored marks above 60% until the previous semester or year and minimum aggregate of 60% in BSc level. In case of appearing candidates are selected for JRF, they should secure 55% in aggregate in the MSc examination and submit their MSc degree and mark sheet on the date of interview, failing which their candidature may be terminated. Candidates with 5-year integrated MSc degree should have secured minimum of 55% aggregate in MSc or BSMS dual degree. Relevant certificates should be submitted at the time of joining at the center. Wherever the results are declared as CGPA or CPA, it may be converted to percentage and entered. MSc and integrated MSc is the eligible qualification of the following subjects. For physics, additional requirement is mathematics must be one of the subject at BSc level. For chemistry, general or applied or organic or inorganic, physical or analytical and biochemistry. Physics should be as ancillary subject at BSc level and mathematics at higher secondary level. Candidates who have not scored passing mark in physics at BSc level or in mathematics at higher secondary level are not eligible to apply. For life sciences, botany, zoology, agriculture, biochemistry, microbiology, molecular biology, biotechnology, marine biology, bioinformatics, genetics, plant science, plant breeding, plant pathology, entomology, animal sciences, biomedical sciences and biosciences. Additional requirement is MSc applicants should have at least one of the following subject at BSc level: physics or chemistry or biochemistry or agriculture chemistry as main subject. In case of 5-year integrated MSc, the candidate should have studied any one of the above subjects as a subsidiary or ancillary level. For physics, candidates with MSc or integrated MSc with specialization in electronics and instrumentation are not eligible to apply. For chemistry, candidates with MSc or integrated MSc in industrial chemistry, polymer chemistry, textile chemistry, environmental chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry, petroleum chemistry, nanoscience, nanotechnology, M.Pharm in pharmaceutical analysis are not eligible. For life sciences, candidates with MSc or integrated MSc in fisheries, horticulture, forestry, agronomy, animal husbandry, bioanalytic sciences, polymer science, medicine or medical science, pharmaceutical science, and home science are not eligible to apply. Candidates with BTech or MTech degree in any of the life sciences discipline are not eligible. In addition to the above, only those candidates who have appeared and successfully cleared at least one of the following qualification examination will be shortlisted for interview at BARC Mumbai, and the qualifications are CSIR UGC NET Fellowship, SLAT or lectureship is not eligible, valid JET score, valid ICMR JRF test, ICAR JRF test, or TBT JRF biotechnology eligibility test, or GATE score in physics or chemistry or life science or biotechnology. At the time of application, candidates should clearly indicate the detail of a qualifying examination listed as above for the consideration of application and submit the proof at the time of interview. Now talking about selection procedure. Application will be scrutinized and candidate will be shortlisted for interview based on their academic performance and score obtained in national qualifying exams. The recommendation or decision of the selection committee will be final and binding. Now talking about general instruction. Before applying, candidate should ensure that he or she fulfill the eligibility conditions, age limit, and other requirements. Now talking about application fee. Application fee is 500, exempted for women candidates and candidates belonging to SC, ST and person with disabilities. Now talking about application process. Facility for submission of online application will be available from 4th August to 31st August. These are the instructions. Now talking about allowance. Candidates called for interview will be reimbursed to and fro 3rd AC railway fare by the shortest route from the registered address mentioned in their application to Mumbai. Medical. Selected candidates are eligible to join the contributory health service scheme of the center for self on payment of prescribed contribution. Now talking about fellowship and tenure. Selected candidates will be initially taken as JRF and paid a fellowship of 31,000 per month. The fellowship will be provided for initially 2 years. Continuation of a fellowship is subject to satisfactory performance and review at the end of each year. On satisfactory performance, the tenure of fellowship will be further extended and upgraded to SRF from the 3rd year onwards with a fellowship of 35,000 per month. The total period of fellowship shall be in no case exceed 5 years. They are entitled for contingency grant including book allowance of 40,000 per year. Accommodation. The selected candidates will be provided hostel accommodation. At station where hostel accommodation is not provided, the candidates will be entitled to HRA as per prevailing government guidelines. Now talking about important deadlines. Start of application 4th August, last date is 31st August and interview dates will be in September or October 2023.